Do you keep saying very good, very happy, or very tired? If you want to sound like a native speaker, it's time to stop overusing very and start using stronger, more sophisticated words. Stay with me, and by the end, your English will sound richer, more refined, and more impressive. Using very too often makes your English sound repetitive and basic. Instead, native speakers use precise words that convey the meaning more naturally and powerfully. Basic, I'm very happy. Advanced, I'm thrilled. Basic, it's cold outside. Advanced, it's freezing outside. Replacing very with a stronger word makes your English sound more fluent and impactful. Instead of very happy, use I'm ecstatic, I'm overjoyed, I'm elated, I'm jubilant. Use these words when you want to express extreme happiness. Instead of very sad, use I'm heartbroken, I'm devastated, I'm downcast, I'm sorrowful. Perfect for expressing deep sadness in a more mature way. Instead of very tired, use I'm exhausted, I'm drained, I'm fatigued, I'm worn out. Use this to sound more expressive instead of saying very tired. Instead of very smart, use he is brilliant. She is exceptionally intelligent. He is a genius. She is astute. Use these words to describe someone's intelligence in a sophisticated way. Instead of very cold, use it's freezing outside. The weather is frigid. It's icy out there. The air is glacial. These words makes your English sound more descriptive and vivid. Wrong, I'm very tired. Right, I'm absolutely exhausted. Wrong, it's very hot today. Right, it's scorching today. Wrong, she's very good at math. Right, she's exceptionally skilled at math. Avoid repeating very. Use a stronger adjective instead. Instead of I'm very hungry, try I'm starving. Instead of this book is very interesting, try this book is absolutely fascinating. Instead of that was a very bad decision, try that was a terrible decision. These small changes make your English sound polished and professional. Stop using very all the time. Start using these powerful words to make your English sound more advanced. Try them in your daily conversations and you will instantly sound more fluent. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful English lessons. See you in the next one.